In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shiprocket to Shopify in a seamless, step-by-step manner. This integration can really help streamline your order fulfillment process, making your e-commerce business run more smoothly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in and get started with connecting Shiprocket to your Shopify store. First things first, the initial step is to navigate to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the left side of your screen. You'll notice a panel with various options listed. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where you'll manage all the applications connected to your Shopify store, an essential component that enhances the functionality of your online shop. Next, you're going to need to locate the Shiprocket app. To do this, simply use the search feature. Type in Shiprocket into the search bar. Shiprocket is a powerful logistics platform that helps manage shipping and delivery seamlessly, and it's a fantastic tool to have in your e-commerce toolkit. Once you've initiated the search, you'll see Shiprocket appearing in the results. Now, click on the Shiprocket app to access its app page. Here, you'll find detailed information regarding the app, including its features, user reviews, and other pertinent details. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this information if you'd like, as it can provide valuable insight into how Shiprocket will work for you and what you can expect after linking it up with Shopify. After having a look, the next thing you'll need to do is click on the Install button. This button is typically prominently displayed on the app page, making it easy to find. Pressing Install will initiate the installation process of Shiprocket on your Shopify store. Installation might take a moment, so be patient as the system sets everything in place. Once the installation is complete, you will be guided through the setup process. This setup is crucial, as it allows you to customize and configure Shiprocket to fit the specific needs of your shop. The setup process might include connecting your Shiprocket account, setting up shipping zones, or adjusting any settings related to how orders are processed and shipped. Follow each on-screen prompt carefully. The setup process is designed to be user-friendly and will guide you through each necessary configuration step. And there you have it. With Shiprocket successfully installed and set up, you've now connected it to your Shopify store. Congratulations! You're now equipped to handle shipping and logistics with greater ease and efficiency, allowing you more time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the newfound convenience of your Shiprocket and Shopify integration.